Hello friends and welcome to downtown Orlando. It is a beautiful January day. I'm running some errands today, preparations for some more van work. I'm going to take a break and go to Deadwords Brewing, the newest brewery that has been opened here in the downtown Orlando area. I have never been in here. I tried to come here one time a couple weeks ago in one of the vlogs and the door was locked. They were not open yet, but they are open today, friends, so let's go check it out. Very nice. I'm really impressed with Deadwords Brewing. They have a full food menu and a very good selection of beers here. I've been tasting some of their beers. The head brewer, Alex, is very kind. He's let me sample some of his creations here. It is awesome. They make some really good beers. I'm trying this English brown porter. It is really, really good. Something else really cool here is they have these lights in the bar where you can put your beer on them and you can see the color in the beer. I think it's such a great idea. To see clarity and how well it's filtered or what's in the beer, sometimes I'll just hold it up to a light, but this makes it so much more convenient. Isn't that cool? If it's too bright for you, well, just take a coaster and put it on top. I ordered one more beer. It's an IPA. Let's try it out. Let's as in me. I wish you were here to try it with me, but you're not, so. That's very good. It's a totally solid IPA. This is a very good beer. Wow. Wow. They have a nice brew house. It's very interesting. Deadwords is one of 12 breweries in the country to use these clay pots. He's only got one right now, but they're planning on getting some more. They're aging some beers in this. They're 30% more porous than the wooden barrels that you see up in the front here. And for aging beers, specific types of beers, those are the way to go. And this is the way that it was done thousands of years ago in clay pots, so it gives you an authentic type of taste to the beers. Barrel aging beers has become very popular in breweries, and Deadwords is definitely playing their part in that. Like a lot of breweries, they have a wood-fired oven and some great things on the menu. And like most breweries nowadays, you can buy some swag, some t-shirts, some pint glasses, hats, and growlers. The tasting room is really big. Huh, did you know this? I like all these facts that they put up on this message board up here. It's pretty loud, but after sitting here through a beer and a half, yeah, it kind of goes away. You don't notice it anymore. But it does click a lot. Friends, Deadwords was an awesome brewery. This place is really cool. You should definitely try this out if you're in the downtown Orlando area. Pretty close to the Orange Bowl, if you're familiar with the area. They gifted me with a couple of stickers here. It was very nice of them. Friends, if you like what you're seeing here, hit like and subscribe, and definitely make your way over here to Deadwords to get some beer. You will not regret it, and I will see you in the next video. Awesome place.